Same rectangle, and what I'm going to do is I will hide the nickels, and this time I'm going to use a measurement of a dime. It turns out the whole point of this investigation, you might think, well, I don't know if that dime looks perfect in relation to the nickel and so on. Doesn't really have to be. There's quite an astonishing result that we're going to come up with here. But what I'm going to do, same thing, I'm going to measure the dimensions of the rectangle now in terms of another non-standard unit. I'm going to measure the length in dimes and the width in dimes. So I'll hide that one, and once again, in the interest of time, I've just laid out the dimes across the top and along the edge here, and we just need to count and approximate. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll put nickels here. This is dimes here, and it looks almost to be exactly 5.5. Once again, I'm not going to obsess about this. We don't need to measure with a huge degree of precision and accuracy. We're just trying to get a general idea here. Be as accurate as you can. So I've got 2, and it's certainly less than a half. That would be approximately a half, and so I'm going to go with 2.3. So using another non-standard measurement device, dimes instead of centimeters or millimeters, I've got 5.5 dimes across the top, 2.3 dimes here on the right hand side. So those would be the dimensions of this rectangle if we're measuring in dimes.